AI revolutionizing genetics. For decades, the biggest challenge in genetics wasn't just reading our DNA, it was understanding it. The human genome is a massive instruction manual made of 3 billion letters. Printing the entire human genome on standard paper and stacking all pages would create a tower of around 160 meters, about a 50-story building. To put differently, if you stretched out all the DNA in a human body end to end, it would reach from the Earth to the Moon about 192,000 times. Until recently, trying to find the single typo in that massive stack of books that causes a devastating disease was like looking for a needle in a haystack the size of a planet. But today, that is rapidly changing because artificial intelligence has entered the lab. AI is revolutionizing genetics by doing what human brains simply cannot do, which is analyzing massive biological datasets to find patterns that are invisible to the naked eye. We have moved from simply sequencing DNA to actually interpreting the language of life, and this shift is shortening the path to cures for genetic disorders that have plagued humanity for history. The first major way AI is helping is by ending the Diagnostic Odyssey for rare diseases. There are thousands of rare genetic disorders, and a general practitioner might only see one or two in their entire career. Patients, often children, can spend years bouncing between specialists, getting incorrect diagnoses and ineffective treatments because their condition is so uncommon. Today, AI algorithms can scan a patient's entire genetic makeup and cross-reference it instantly with global databases of genetic variations and reported symptoms. What used to take a team of specialists months of research can now be flagged by an AI in a matter of hours. It can identify a super rare mutation in a specific gene and say, "Hey, look here, this matches a profile seen in only 50 other people worldwide." This rapid diagnosis is the first crucial step toward treatment. Before we continue, please subscribe to my channel at everythingAI_2026, click the like button, and share the video. By subscribing, you gain access to a dedicated knowledge hub designed to keep you at the frontier of the AI revolution. We don't just report on the news, we decode the future. Now let us continue. But AI goes beyond just pointing out the problem. It helps us understand the mechanism of the disease. You have probably heard that DNA is a blueprint. Well, that blueprint is used to build proteins, the microscopic machines that do everything in your body. If the DNA has a typo, the protein folds into the wrong shape, and a misshapen protein can't do its job. This is the root cause of diseases like cystic fibrosis. It is an inherited, chronic disease caused by a mutated gene, resulting in thick, sticky mucus that clogs lungs, damages organs, and causes severe respiratory and digestive issues. For 50 years, scientists struggled to predict how a 2D string of DNA code turns into a 3D protein structure. It was one of biology's greatest challenges. Recently, AI models like Google DeepMind's AlphaFold essentially solved this problem. They can predict the 3D structure of proteins with incredible accuracy. This means researchers don't just know that a gene is broken, they can visualize exactly how the resulting protein is misshapen. By knowing the shape of the broken lock, they can use AI to rapidly design drugs that act as the perfect key to fix it or bypass it. So, what does this mean for actual cures in the near future? We are seeing the biggest impacts right now in disorders caused by a single gene mutation. Sickle cell disease is the prime example. A group of inherited red blood cell disorders where cells become stiff, sticky, and C-shaped like a sickle. We now have approved gene-editing therapies that essentially cure this debilitating condition. AI played a significant role in getting us there by helping researchers design the genetic scissors, known as CRISPR, to be incredibly precise, ensuring they cut exactly where they are supposed to and nowhere else. Looking just a little further ahead, AI is heavily focused on tackling more complex single-gene disorders like Huntington's disease, muscular dystrophy, and certain forms of inherited blindness. By modeling millions of potential therapeutic approaches in a virtual environment, AI allows scientists to test potential cures faster than ever before, only bringing the most promising candidates into actual lab trials. We are fast approaching a world where a genetic diagnosis isn't just a label of a condition, but a roadmap to a personalized cure designed by human ingenuity and powered by artificial intelligence. Thank you for your attention and see you soon in the next video. Please let me know your opinion in the comment section.